Switching channels quickly on YouTube TV is simple once you know the fastest shortcuts. Whether you're using a smart TV, streaming device, or phone, here's how to flip through live channels instantly, just like traditional cable, but smoother. Start by opening the Live tab. This is your channel guide, and it updates in real time with everything currently airing. The quickest way to change channels on a TV is to press the up or down arrows on your remote while watching any program. This pulls up a small, scrollable mini-guide on the side of your screen. Select the next channel, hit OK, and you switch instantly. If you're using a streaming device like Chromecast with Google TV, Roku, or Fire Stick, pressing the back button while watching live TV brings you right back to the full channel guide, allowing you to jump to another channel with one click. On mobile devices, swipe left or right across the live player to switch between the last few channels you viewed. It works fast and feels very similar to channel surfing on classic cable boxes. You can also tap the three-line guide icon at the top of the screen to jump directly to any live program. These shortcuts make switching channels fast, smooth, and effortless on YouTube TV.